Hey, I'm Siddharth, and I was giving a talk about responsive design. What are the logic behind responsive design, how to code it, and some tricks of trade. And the major target was to introduce most of the students about that there's something like that exists there, right? There's design out there that you can do front-end coding, and then again promote WordPress and open source, because that's really important part of education that's missed out totally in CS and any thing involving computers and software. And the reason I really wanted was that, and I think design should be promoted as in parts of education, maybe not as a course, but as part of the course, or maybe as external, co-curricular. So that is a response from WordCamp Pune is much better than all the WordCamps in the past. So it's really good to see community coming up in India, and this is for protection, so my fellow speakers don't throw shells on me after what we tweeted throughout the WordCamp. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
So I am Aniket, and I am not exactly a WordPress developer. I started developing with PHP, and my two main frameworks are CodeIgniter and Laravel. Started developing with WordPress in 2011, and then I was called for WordCamp Jabalpur. So that time I spoke about theme development, customization, and this time I talked about meta boxes and how to do them right. People basically don't know the difference, what exactly is a meta box, what are custom fields, and what are custom story types. So my basic reason of the talk was to educate them what is the difference and how to use them properly, what are the different methods of doing them, and how you can actually use the power of WordPress in building a good advanced CMS for your clients. Other than this, my previous talks will give you an intro about what I have been doing, how to make themes, and how you can make awesome themes using meta boxes.
So I'm Savita Soni. I am a first time speaker in WordCamp Pune, and I speak about this WP query. As a nature or as a developer, I am love WordPress like anything, and use these coding part, WP query parts, and query things day to day in my life in plugins and widgets and themes everywhere. And I found that there are so many errors. By knowingly or by unknowingly we did, just to clear all those points. I take this session of WP query to clear out something and to gain something new. I learned myself a lot by giving this talk.
Hi, I'm Saurabh. I'm a developer at Articamp. I spoke about developing open source plugins. The reason I spoke about this was I feel there are very few plugins from India, very few plugin developers who are actually contributing good plugins. So I felt the best way to learn for a new WordPress developer is to develop few plugins or contribute to existing plugins, somehow get into proper WordPress development. The next best thing to developing WordPress is developing a WordPress plugin, and that is the reason why I spoke about it, and that's why I was at WordCamp.
I'm Rahul Bankar, a full-time blogger from Baroda, and I took a session of, I took a workshop actually. It was around how to install WordPress on a server, and then going ahead to social media and keyword research stuff and all that. It was great. It was very nicely organized, and we had a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Ankur. I am co-founder with PriceBaba.com, and I'm here at WordCamp Pune. So, reason for attending WordCamp, it's the first WordCamp that I know is happening, and it's near me. I could travel for it, and I first thought that it would be a developer event, and somehow I've signed up as a speaker, so a lot of nervousness before I arrived here, only to know that a lot of users and non-techies are in audience. So I shared with them how I got started with WordPress, how it helped me start my media business, and at the same time my learnings as a product from WordPress. So if you see, WordPress is brilliant in understanding user need and adding features to its product, at the same time also engaging the community while doing so. So there's a lot to learn for anyone who wants to start a product business, and I believe that India needs more product entrepreneurs right now, and with internet just booming in India right now, this is the right time to start product companies. So WordPress is a great example to start from, learn from, and that's what I shared with the audience today.
मैं निशा सिंह, QA फॉर डेवलपर टीम, और वर्डकैम्प पुणे में मैं कैसे थीम रिव्यू करते हैं, थीम रिव्यू का प्रोसेस क्या है, और wordpress.org पर थीम जाने के पहले रिव्यूअर क्या क्या टेस्ट करता है, मैं वही टेस्ट करती हूँ। मैं WordPress.world पर थीम रिव्यूअर हूँ।
Hi, I'm Gaurav. This is my fourth WordCamp which I attended as speaker or as an organizer. This time I talked about WordPress security, and the reason I chose behind it was that I see most of the people just installing it and did not paying attention to anything and leaving all the security to the WordPress. But you should try to secure, and you should keep an eye on everything that goes around on your system. That's why I chose it. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Ronak Thakkar. I am a founder at Only About Dreams. It is a digital media agency as well as a blogging network. I run multiple blogs on WordPress, as well as the designs and the websites that I make for my clients are only on WordPress. Frankly speaking, whatever I am today, whatever I do, the company, everything is only because I started using WordPress. So I owe everything, my company, my work to WordPress, my career to WordPress. And today I'll be speaking on leveraging your business with WordPress. It is why I chose this topic is because I am running my business on WordPress, and I wanted people to understand the power and the flexibility that WordPress provides them with. The things that you can do with WordPress, the kind of work that you can do with WordPress, the things that you can achieve with WordPress, and the way in which you can promote your businesses using WordPress, and gain that kind of exposure that today's businesses need.